Welcome back to the channel, everybody! We're diving deep into the world of smart kitchens today, exploring the top 5 gadgets of 2024 that are changing the game. From ovens that do it all to thermometers that practically cook your steak for you, we've got a lineup that'll make you wonder how you ever lived without these. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, stick around. You might just find your next kitchen essential. Let's get started. Alright, first up, we're talking about the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook, or even for those who are just starting out. Now, this isn't just your average toaster oven, it's a multifunctional powerhouse that can replace several appliances in your kitchen. This thing is a beast. With its spacious interior, you can cook a whole chicken or even a 13-inch pizza with ease. It's packing 13, yes, you heard that right, 13 different cooking functions. We're talking air frying, dehydrating, roasting, toasting, baking, broiling, slow cooking, reheating, warming, and even making pizza. Broiling, you name it, this oven can probably handle it. Imagine having all these capabilities in one compact unit. And with Breville's Element IQ technology, this oven distributes heat evenly for consistent results every single time. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking. But here's where it gets really interesting. The technology behind this oven is truly next level. This oven is packing Breville's smart functionality. It's designed to make your cooking experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. It connects to your phone via the Breville app, and this is where the magic happens. Imagine controlling your oven from your phone, even when you're not in the kitchen. The app gives you access to over 1,000 recipes. And I'm not talking about just any recipes. These are recipes specifically designed for this oven. Each recipe is tailored to make the most of the oven's capabilities. It's like having a personal chef guiding you every step of the way. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned cook, this app makes it easy to create delicious meals. The app tells you exactly what settings to use, when to preheat, and even suggests the best cooking methods for different types of food. When to put your food in, ensuring that everything is cooked to perfection, and even sends you notifications when your food is ready. No more guessing or constantly checking the oven. It takes all the guesswork out of cooking. You can focus on enjoying the process and the delicious results. And let's talk about the air frying for a second. This feature alone makes the oven worth it. This thing gets seriously crispy results. We're talking restaurant-quality fries, crispy chicken wings, and perfectly roasted vegetables. It's like having a professional kitchen right in your home. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is definitely a premium appliance, but if you're serious about cooking and want a versatile do-it-all machine, this one is definitely worth checking out. It's an investment in your kitchen and your culinary adventures. Next up, we're taking a look at something that's going to up your grilling game, the Meter Plus Long-Range Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This thing is a game changer, especially if you're serious about grilling. First of all, it's completely wireless. No more bulky probes or wires getting in the way. You just stick this sleek little device into your meat and you're good to go. It's got dual sensors, one for the internal meat temperature and one for the ambient temperature inside your grill or oven. This gives you the most accurate readings possible. But here's where the Meter Plus really shines. Its range. We're talking up to 165 feet indoors and over 1,000 feet in open air. That means you can literally monitor your cook from anywhere in your house or even your backyard. And the Meter app is what really brings this whole thing together. It's super user-friendly and gives you all the information you need at a glance. You can set custom alerts for different cooking stages, so you know exactly when to pull your meat off the grill for that perfect doneness. The app even has a guided cooking system that walks you through the entire process, from preheating to resting your meat. It's like having a personal grilling coach right in your pocket. The Meter Plus is a little pricier than your average meat thermometer. But if you're serious about grilling and want perfectly cooked meat every single time, this is the way to go. Imagine this. You're hosting a backyard barbecue, and you want to impress your guests with perfectly cooked steaks. With the Meter Plus, you can keep an eye on your meat's progress without being tied to the grill. You can mingle with your guests, enjoy a drink, and still ensure that your meat is cooking to perfection. The app even allows you to select different types of meat and cooking preferences, making it versatile for any grilling scenario. And it's not just for grilling. You can use it in your oven for roasts, making it a year-round tool. Cleaning the Meter Plus is a breeze too. It's water-resistant, so you can easily wash it after use. Plus, it comes with a sleek charging dock that keeps it ready for your next cooking adventure. So, whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, the Meter Plus is designed to make your cooking experience seamless and enjoyable. It's a small investment for a big upgrade in your culinary toolkit. Trust me, once you try the Meter Plus, you'll wonder how you ever grilled without it. So go ahead, elevate your grilling game with the Meter Plus and enjoy perfectly cooked meat every time. For our third pick, we're talking about something truly innovative, the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker. Now, this is for all the smoked meat lovers out there who don't have the luxury of an outdoor smoker. This thing lets you smoke meats right on your countertop, and it doesn't require any special ventilation. It uses active smoke filtration technology to keep your kitchen smoke-free, so you can enjoy that delicious smoky flavor without setting off the fire alarm. It's got adjustable smoke settings, so you can go from a light smoke to a more intense smoky flavor. And it's got built-in temperature probes that monitor both the meat temperature and the smoker temperature, so you can keep an eye on everything without having to open the lid. And speaking of the lid, it's got a cool glass window that lets you peek inside and check on your food without releasing any smoke. But the best part? It's super easy to clean. Most of the parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. The GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is a bit of an investment, but if you're a smoked meat enthusiast who wants to enjoy that smoky goodness year-round, this is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features of this indoor smoker is its smart connectivity. You can control the smoker using your smartphone, making it incredibly convenient to adjust settings or monitor your cooking progress from anywhere in your home. Imagine getting a notification on your phone when your meat reaches the perfect temperature. No more guesswork, just perfectly smoked meat every time. And if you're into smart home technology, you'll love that it integrates seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Just tell your device to adjust the smoker settings, and it's done. Whether you're smoking ribs, brisket, or even fish, the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker can handle it all. Its versatility is one of its strongest points, allowing you to experiment with different types of meats and flavors. Imagine hosting a dinner party and impressing your guests with perfectly smoked dishes, all prepared right in your kitchen. The convenience and quality this smoker offers are truly unmatched. And let's not forget about the cleanup. The fact that most parts are dishwasher safe means you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use, so it won't take up valuable counter space. The user manual is straightforward and easy to follow, so even if you're new to smoking meats, you'll be up and running in no time. Overall, the GE Profile Smart Indoor Smoker is a game changer for anyone who loves smoked meats but doesn't have the space or setup for an outdoor smoker. It's convenient, efficient, and delivers fantastic results every time. All right, moving on to something a little different, the Moen Luxe Chef Workstation System Sink. Now, this is more than just a sink. It's a complete workstation designed to streamline your entire cooking process. It comes with a whole bunch of accessories, including a cutting board, drying racks, prep bins, and even a colander. And the cool part is that all these accessories fit perfectly over the sink, so you can work more efficiently and keep your countertop clear. The sink itself is available in multiple configurations, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and your kitchen layout. And it's got a really sleek, modern design that'll elevate the look of any kitchen. But the real game changer here is the under-sink storage. It's got a built-in system for organizing all your cleaning supplies and other kitchen essentials, so you can finally say goodbye to that cluttered cabinet under the sink. The Moen Luxe Chef Workstation System Sink is definitely a premium option. But if you're looking for a way to maximize your kitchen space and create a more efficient workflow, this is definitely worth checking out. And last but not least, we've got the Smeg the Blast Chiller. Now this one's for all the meal preppers and food enthusiasts out there who are serious about keeping their food fresh. This thing is part of Smeg's Vitality system, and it's designed to rapidly freeze or chill your food, which helps preserve nutrients and flavor. We're talking about extending the shelf life of your food by up to 70%. That means less food waste, which is always a good thing. And it's not just for freezing. You can use it to chill drinks super fast, make homemade ice cream, or even quickly cool down hot food before storing it in the fridge. It's got a really sleek, minimalist design that'll look great in any kitchen. And it's super easy to use. Just pop your food in, select the program, and let it do its thing. The SMEG. The blast chiller is definitely an investment, but if you're serious about food preservation and want to reduce food waste, this is a game changer. So, there you have it, our top 5 smart kitchen gadgets of 2024. We've covered everything from ovens that can do it all to sinks that are practically mini kitchens themselves. Whether you're a tech-savvy home cook or just looking for ways to make your life in the kitchen a little easier, there's definitely something on this list for everyone. What do you think of these gadgets? Let me know in the comments below which one you're most excited about. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest kitchen tech. See you next time.